In the food, pharmaceutical, cosmetics, and medical device industries, quality is not just expected, it is required by law. And businesses that cannot prove their production meets the highest safety and quality standards are losing markets, failing inspections, and risking everything. Good manufacturing practices is your foundation. GMP, Good Manufacturing Practices, is the globally recognized system of guidelines and procedures that ensures your products are consistently produced to the highest standards of quality, safety, and hygiene. It covers every aspect of your production operation, from your people and your facilities to your equipment, your processes, and your documentation. So what does GMP cover? Personnel hygiene and training, ensuring every team member follows strict hygiene rules and is properly trained. Cleanliness and sanitation, keeping facilities, equipment, and production areas clean and controlled at all times. Standard operating procedures, written procedures that guarantee consistency across every single batch. Documentation and traceability, maintaining accurate records for full accountability. Quality control, checking raw materials, processes, and finished products at every stage. And equipment maintenance, ensuring every machine is calibrated and performing accurately. Who needs it? Food and beverage manufacturers, pharmaceutical companies, cosmetics producers, nutraceutical brands, packaging companies, and medical device manufacturers. Any business where product safety directly impacts the consumer. The benefits are clear. GMP certification improves product quality, builds customer trust, reduces recalls and complaints, supports export to international markets, and ensures full compliance with legal and regulatory requirements. MBA Solutions provides complete GMP support, from gap analysis and SOP development to staff training, internal audits, and full certification preparation. Safe products start with the right system. Contact MBA Solutions today and let us build that system for you.